Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate CocoaPods library into your Xcode project. First thing you need to do if you have never used CocoaPods before is to install CocoaPods dependency manager. Open your browser, type CocoaPods, and open CocoaPods.org website. Scroll down to install. In order to install CocoaPods using Ruby, you will need to copy the command sudo gem install CocoaPods and paste it into your terminal. You will be prompted to enter admin password, and after that CocoaPods will be installed on your machine. I have already installed CocoaPods on my Mac, so I'm going to skip this step. For checking that CocoaPods has been successfully installed, you could type the following command: pod --version, and you should get a similar result. After the installation, let's switch to the Xcode for a moment to create a CocoaPods demo project. Generally, CocoaPods integration process consists of 3 steps: pod file creation, defining the library you wanted to add, and installation. For step 1, we're gonna close the Xcode and switch back to the terminal. In terminal, navigate to the project directory using cd command. I created a project on the desktop, so I'm gonna type cd desktop using tab for auto completion and Coco demo and hit enter. Being in your project folder, type the following command: pod init. CocoaPods will create pod file, and now you need to edit it using your preferred text editor. I prefer using Atom, so I type Atom pod file and hit enter. Okay, now you can delete hashtag and specify platform to iOS 14. Here you can paste which libraries you wanted to integrate to your Xcode project. Let's switch to Safari. I already opened the Fire library and installation using CocoaPods. Copy the command and paste it to your pod file. If you delete the version, CocoaPods will integrate the latest available version for your pod. After you pasted it, hit Command S to save the pod file. You can close Atom, get back to terminal, and type another command: pod install. And the output should be like following. Now, let's get back to our project folder. In order to use in frameworks, you need to work Xc workspace instead of Xc project. You can hit command build to build your edit libraries, and try to import new library. Import Fire. I've added some sample code to test the Fire, so let's run it. And here in console you can see that Fire downloads data. Thank you for watching, until the next video.